quantum computing stocks have investors excited for the potential that they could be the next big thing after artificial intelligence. So Rigetti computing in particular is gaining a lot of investor attention. So I wanted to make a few videos going deeper into this company. In this video specifically, I'm going to dig deeper into what's going on with Rigetti in terms of their latest developments in their technology. So Rigetti Computing's management team held a conference call with Wall Street analysts where they described their position and where they're heading and the developments in the technology. So they said that fault-tolerant quantum computing will likely require 10,000 to 1,000,000 physical qubits. Scaling the system is challenging because they require bulky microwave components with high thermal load that can quickly overwhelm the cooling power of a dilution refrigerator. So this is incredibly complex technology, and we're still in the very early stages of developing this technology. It's not surprising to hear managers of these companies suggest that we're still a few years away before we develop a product that's commercially viable. Right now, we're still in the research and development stages, and most of the revenue that's coming into these companies are from researchers, academic researchers, and government institutions looking to support the growth of this industry. Rigetti's team successfully demonstrated the integration of a hybrid microwave optical quantum transducer with a Rigetti fabricated superconducting qubit. So one of the interesting developments, the company said that using a public data set representing South Carolina's energy grid, the problem was to compute the maximum power exchange section, a metric that informs on the health and power deliver capability of the energy network. Using Rigetti's system, quantum preconditioning was used to boost best-in-class classical optimizers. Now, what this did is it highlighted the potential for quantum preconditioning to achieve quantum utility for solving practical optimization problems. In other words, you have a real-world situation that needs solving, and there isn't an effective way to solve those real-world situations, and quantum computing solutions can step in and solve these very difficult to solve problems in less time than it would take a regular computer. It might take a regular computer several years to solve these kinds of problems, whereas a quantum computer can solve this kind of problem potentially, I say potentially, in a little less than a few minutes. Click the link below to watch the full video.